Good news, we got parts for the Veloster.
We got a hood, got a brand new bumper, along with a brand new core support. Now I am waiting on a new grill, so for now I'm just going to start tearing this down and replacing that core support.
So in order to get that core support off of there, I need to remove everything that's in the way. That'll be anything from the headlight to the old bumper to the crash bar. I really want to see if I can do this without unhooking the radiator, because I really don't want to bleed the coolant afterwards, but we'll see how lucky I can get with that one. Other than that, I need to get the AC condenser out of there. So that's enough talking. Let's get started.
Alright, so I got the bumper off, and the way you do that on these Velosters is you need to get the headlights out of the way and they clip into the bumper. So there's going to be one bolt up under here, and then the headlight has one other bolt right down there, along with two others that mount over there and back up there. But from there, it's just some plastic clips down there, and if you're just really broken like mine, it should just pop right off. I'm gonna get back to tearing this down. Alright, so I've had a couple breakthroughs since I started ripping this apart. One is that the radiator is bent. Still got fluid up there, and I went to go drain it down low, and it's still like cooling down low. However, when I open this, there's nothing in there, and I'm starting to think that the radiator was leaking when it's filled. So I think I'm going to need a new radiator, unfortunately. So I'm going to pull that in the AC condenser and then start putting the new core support on. So after going a little bit further into it, I learned that this is the only broken part of the core support. I think I'm still going to replace the whole thing. I've got the radiator out now. This connection piece was broken on the bottom, so there was no Freon in it, but now I'm trying to get this piece out. I got this other one out, but I can't seem to get that one off, so I don't want to break the AC line, so I'm just going to keep trying to pry and see if I can't get it. So I got that new core support on, and fits pretty well. There's a bolt there. The top piece goes all the way across and bolts right in. And then right now, since the bash bar is not on there, I don't have any of those bolts in besides there's a lower one down up in there. Other than that, it's just being held on by like 4 bolts total. I need to get a radiator now. I've got a AC condenser ready to go. And then I'll be good to really start putting everything back together. Let's see if I can find a bash bar, but I might see if I can just salvage this one. It's got a little bit of a crease in it. So part of me doesn't want to use it, but it'll be fine. Maybe get an aftermarket one. I don't know.
Alright, so I'm going to leave it at that for this video. I have it mostly, well, actually all the way torn down and partially rebuilt. The next step, I need to get a radiator so I can finish putting it back together more or less. I need a little bit of trans fluid just to top it off, and then some more coolant, and I need to finish that AC line because it blew and the connecting piece just won't come off for some reason, but that's another thing for another day. If you like following this build, feel free to subscribe, like, it'll help me a lot. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one.